If every part of a ship is replaced, piece by piece, is it still the same ship? That's the Ship of Theseus. But here's the real horror. It isn't about wood or boats. It's about you, the person you love, your friends, even the voice in your own head. Are they the same people you met years ago? Or are you clinging to a ghost made of recycled memories? Psychology has a cruel sense of humor. Every 7 to 10 years, your personality shifts. Your habits dissolve, your desires mutate, even your moral compass quietly recalibrates. Science calls it psychological erosion. The person you once were doesn't die. They're slowly overwritten, like an old VHS tape losing signal. Which means, statistically, the person you marry isn't the one you stay with. You're both just time-delayed strangers, orbiting versions of each other that no longer exist. The paradox isn't about identity anymore. It's about grief. You didn't lose them. You just watched them update into someone who no longer recognizes you. The person who once loved you, they still exist. Somewhere in the timeline. Just not here. Worst part? You changed too. You kept the same name, the same skin, but everything beneath, every emotion, every belief, quietly replaced. So when two people fall out of love, it isn't betrayal. It's two ghosts discovering the other's ship already sailed. Maybe growing up isn't about finding yourself. Maybe it's about realizing there isn't one to find. You are a project in perpetual reconstruction, a patchwork of forgotten versions stitched together by memory. Divorce, heartbreak, nostalgia, they aren't tragedies. They're maintenance logs. Every argument, every regret, another plank replaced. And by the end, the ship still floats. But not one board remains from when it first set sail. But what if the old planks were reassembled? Would that ship be you or the ghost you left behind?